Hi, I'm Thomas Tran, and today I'm going to present to you our final project group about Manpower. And our members are Javier Romero Silva, Piero Paredes Solar, Valeria Reyes Tarazona, and Thomas Tran. And first, I'm going to do a quick introduction about um, Manpower. So, Manpower became Manpower Group after the 2007 financial crisis, and due to this crisis, they decided to diversify their activity. So since 2007, they didn't only HR management, but they also manage jobs, training, do professional mobilities and IT facilities. And Mapper also delivers training to companies and career management. And through this presentation, we are going to speak about especially the model of management of Manpower. So Manpower, first to know, Manpower was founded in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 1948 by Elmer Winter and Aaron Sheffield. And the idea to create Manpower was that the two American men were looking for a secretary for a short period of time, but they couldn't find it. And so they decided to create Manpower to fill this need. And the first office were created in the US, then in Europe and South America. And now the goal of Manpower is to become one of the leader in part-time job management. And they believe that the talent is the key element of differentiation for companies in the world. And for instance, the goal of the company is to help develop the world of work and to develop the human capital of everybody and to develop the talent of everybody. Secondly, their mission is to connect people to honorable work, and their vision is they wanted to be leaders in the creation and execution of services and innovative solutions. And there are three values that they trust in people, and they care about people and the world of work in their life. They trust in knowledge by learning and growing, by sharing in knowledge and resources and innovation. And they trust in innovation. They dare to innovate and be pure pioneers. So Manpower is a very profitable company because the turnover was around $20 billion in 2016, and they hire 3.4 million people, um, and they help 3.4 million people to find a permanent job and 11 people to find a part-time job in the trading. And to conclude, Manpower is now the third biggest firm in HR management behind Adecco and Randstad.